Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
You happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
The writing on the wall. What if I say I know, you know? What if I told you I liked you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I liked you? I know, you know. What if I told you I liked you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I liked you? What if I told you I liked you?
Happy 21st birthday, Paul, in the house of the Lord, in the universe, rather in the dimensions of the Philippines and the citizen. Yan, happy birthday sa'yo, Paul. At sana, akala mo naglag, hindi talaga ako naglagnan. Happy birthday, Paul. Sorry, hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo ngayon. And I know that alam mo na busy ako. Busy! Yes! In the house! Eksena. Yan, happy birthday ulit, Paul. And so much happy birthday nang sinabi ko. Because I couldn't say more because of our friendship. Yes, you know that. Yes. And sana makahanap ka na ng forever mo na isang gwapo, pati puno, at mas alam mo na yun. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Hi Paul! Happy birthday! Sorry kung hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo bukas. Huwag mong pamasahe eh. So, ngayon special day mo to. Sana mag-enjoy ka kahit wala kami. Pasensya na talaga kung hindi kami makakapunta. Ano po ba? Sana maging masaya ka. Kasi kompleto din naman kayo kung kahit paano. Nandiyan naman sila Josh, Joanna, Rapsi. Alam mo na. Nag-enjoy din naman kayo. Sorry kung hanggang dito lang. Ginawa ko tong video na to. So, para lang mag-rate sa'yo ng happy birthday. Uy, mga kupal. Mag-enjoy kayo dyan, ha. Bawi ako next live. Dapat ano, ano ba? Gawin yung lahat para maging masaya si Paul, ha? Nakakupal. Dalawa kayo nandyan. Kaya, dapat mag-enjoy. Peace. Once again, happy birthday.
What's up, Kuya Paul? Maligayang kaarawan sa iyong pagsilang. Sana naway maging makabaluhan ang araw na ito sa iyo ngayon dahil alam kong ika-21st birthday mo, your debut. Always remember na mahal ka namin, nagmamahal sa iyo. Keep safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Paul. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and happy birthday to come. I miss you.
Hi, Kuya Paul. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 21 birthday sa'yo. More birthday to come to you. Kasi nga, birthday na ni Paul. Birthday na ni Paul. Sumayaw siya. Hindi, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. I miss you na.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Paul. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging malusog ka, maging masaya ka lagi, at enjoy your day. Enjoy mo to. Ano mo to eh. Araw mo to. Yan lang. Happy birthday sa'yo ulit. Pasensya, di ako makapunta. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Paul. Kamusta? Congratulations for another year of success. May the Lord continually shower you more good health, more blessing, and more candles to blow. Enjoy every minute of your life. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, Jobet. Happy birthday, Paul Jobet. Maraming salamat at nakilala kitang bata, napakabait, friendly, matulungin, at higit sa lahat, maganda ang iyong pakikisama. Laging manalangin at makinig sa payo nila tito at tita mo. Alam ko, marami kang mararating na maganda at may kinabukasan ka. Naway patuloy ang iyong pagiging mabuting tao. Yun lang. Maraming salamat at happy birthday, Paul Jobet. Bye!
Hi Paul, happy birthday, happy 21st birthday. I wish you all the best in life and good health as well. I miss you, see you soon. Happy birthday.
Hi Paul, in the house of the Lord, in the galaxy of the universe. First of all, happy 21st birthday sa'yo. I wish you a good health, more blessings, and ayun, enjoy your day. Sorry talaga, hindi ako nakakapunta dyan. Pero sana talaga next time makapunta ako dyan. Kasi namimiss ko na kayo, sila kuya, namimiss ko na si Zoe, sila, ang dami kong namimiss. Pero ayun, namimiss ko na kayong lahat dyan. Sana safe kayo dyan and mag-iingat kayo palagi. Enjoy your day and may God bless you, more blessings pa para sa'yo and good health. Ayun, so kung dito na sinasabi ko, see you soon. Promise. See you soon dyan sa inyo. And yun. Bye! Happy 21st birthday!
Hello, Paul Jovi. Gusto lang kita batiin ng happy 21st birthday. Hindi ko alam kung ngayon ba yung debut mo o nung 18th birthday mo. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday, syempre. Good health. Enjoy your day and kita-kits soon.
Even though I forgot, know that won't keep us apart. Baby, I know, I'm making you up. If you are good, anything you want.
Hi, Kuya Paul. Happy birthday po sa inyo. And more birthdays to come. And stay healthy.
Hi Kuya Paul, happy 21st birthday. Sana maging maligaya ka sa araw mo. God bless. Love you.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you. You're the real McCoy. Happy birthday to you. For you. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Paul!
Pati mo.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Ikaw ang happy birthday, please.
Happy birthday.
Tito Polpol.
Tito Polpol.
Love you.
Love you.
Ikaw, Chloe.
Happy birthday na. Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday nga, Tito.
Ito si Yuri.
Tito.
Happy birthday daw, Tito.
Okay na. Happy birthday po, Uncle Polpol. Ingat ka po dyan. I love you.
Hello po, Kuya Paul. Happy 21st birthday po. More birthdays to come po. Enjoy your life while you're still alive.
Say, Kuya Paul, happy birthday to you. And first of all, thank you for the advice. I won't forget it. I hope the Lord give you many more birthdays to come. I hope you don't change because you are such a kind person, Kuya. By the way, I won't make this long. Once again, happy birthday to you. Take care always. Yeah. Don't forget to eat, Kuya.
Paul, happy birthday. More birthday to kamay mo. Ngantagan ka lang maupay nga panlawas. Pero may hinaupunta, makamtan mo imong mga hingya pa kinabuhi. Happy birthday, haimo. Ikaw na, Day. Ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Paul. Sana makabulag laim. Enen na emo ganda po. At sana po ma-dream control mo po. An emo yung papangarap po. Happy birthday na po.
Huwag ka i-edit na rin yung tayo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Paul.
Wala. Kita tinaw.
Happy birthday, Kuya Paul. Yeah.
Hey, Paul. Wish you all the best and good health la. Okay.
Happy birthday, Paul. Enjoy your birthday. Good health.
Hello, happy birthday, Paul. Mag-ingat niyo palagi. Happy birthday na lang ulit. Malasing ka.
It's your special day. Time to celebrate. Best birthday to you. You're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby. Your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Kuya Paul. Happy birthday. Paghinay ka mga da. Miss ka na namon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Paul. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Enjoy your day. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Paul. Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Pasensya na hindi kayo makakapunta at sobrang layo. Happy birthday. I love you. Mama Chuchu.
Hi, Kuya Paul. Happy birthday. Miss you. Wish ko lang dagan kan mo pa na panlawas. Damo pa tumabot na birthday. Hinay ikaw nga da perme. Love you.
Hayot, happy 21st birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Bisan nawaray o mga may adahanda. Basta healthy lang always. Ngan, I hope na permi ka na maghihinay. Miss na miss ka na namon. Ngan, always remember nga adila kami parahain. Ngan, mahal na mahal ka namon. Nag-enjoy lahat mo life. Bisan ano pa man ipagsubok na mabutain. Basta ay lapagsubok. Tanan may daya pag-asa. Love you.
Hello, Kuya Paul. Happy 21st birthday. Wish ko nga panlawas ng kinabuhi nga halawig. sana mag-enjoy ka imo 21st birthday. Bisan waray kami. I know, nasasad ka kay, syempre, 21st birthday mo, tapos waray kami. Pero okay lang ito. Bawi na lang next time. Pag-uli mo. Miss na miss ka na namon, Kuya Paul. Pag hinay ko, di da perno. Ngayon, ayun na pag-ini mo. Kabara ka, kaya dila kami para hain. Love na love ka na amo. Anakon kuya nga, may nugupa nun, tapos, buutan. Love you. And I miss you. Dari na akong mahalaban message. Basta mo na. Tumaaram ka na. 21 ka na. Happy 21st birthday. Kuya Paul, I love you. Mwah. Miss you.